Hey, Sam from Cilantro here. Today I'm going to show you the communities feature inside of HighLevel. The communities feature allows you to bring together your various resources into one central location. It allows users to create, connect, and engage with groups based on their interests. It has features that make it easy to have interactive discussions and share knowledge with other members, bringing to life a wonderful blend of learning, networking, and community building. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a community, how to change the settings, and how to invite people to join. Let's dive into the tool. You'll find the communities feature inside of the membership menu. You select membership on the left-hand menu, and then you're going to click communities and groups. You can have multiple groups. To get started with creating one, you just press create group. You're going to be taken to this page where you can fill in all of the information about the group here. Whenever you have that set, go ahead and press create group. So by default, your group is going to be created as a public group. To change that, you can click on the settings button, and this will bring up the group settings. Here, you're able to change the group name and the description if you decide that you want to change that. And you scroll a little bit further, and you'll see that you can change it to public or private. You can also make it so it's accessible from the switcher, and you can also make it so that your group is either free or paid. If you want a paid group, you just click this blue button, add new price. You can set the price. You can set if you want it recurring or one time. You can decide if you want a free trial and if you want to do monthly or annual billing. You can also update your branding here. And if you have any additional links that you want to add, you can add them here. Make sure after any changes that you make, you press save. At the top left corner here, this is the switcher. So if you have multiple groups, press this little down arrow and change between the different groups that you have. In this top menu, the discussion tab here is where all the community interaction will take place. You can create channels for various topics. When you go to add a channel, you name it, you can enter a description, and you can select the icon. Press create channel. You can add multiple channels to keep your topics organized. If you're on the home tab and you create a post, you can select what channel you want it to go into, or you can go straight into that channel and then create a post. To create a post, you just click in the box that says what's on your mind. Type your title, type whatever you want to post. And if you want to tag a member, you would just type the @ and then their name. If you need to change the channel that you're posting in, you can do that down here on the right-hand side, and then press publish post. There you have it. Now you've made a post. If you need to edit it, you just click these 3 dots and click edit post and make whatever changes you need, and then press update. We have learning, which is where you can add your courses to your community if you choose to. And we have people. In this list here, you'll be able to see all of the people within your community. You can also invite people to join your community from here as well. To invite people, you can just input their name and email address. If you want them to be an admin, you can check this, and then you just click invite, and they will automatically get an email link inviting them to the group. You can also share a direct invitation link by clicking this link button. When someone clicks on that shared link, this is what they'll be taken to. So they can create an account, a secure code will be sent to their email, and if you have a paid group set up, it'll prompt for payment. So there you have it, a crash course on the amazing communities feature inside of HighLevel. I hope you found this helpful. We'd love to know in the comments below what type of community will you be building in HighLevel.